Hello guys and welcome to my YouTube channel. A customer borrowed this phone and said that the phone is dead. So what I did is I tried to first of all test the battery, and the battery was very low. I boost the battery. Then when I plug it into the phone and I tried to on the phone, try to on the phone. See that the phone is not powering on. The phone is not powering on. Nothing. Nothing is happening. Let's do it again. Nothing. Nothing is happening. So what I did is I tried to check for shorting, but I could not find any short capacitor. Let's check again for the voltage. Let's see whether we have the voltage. As you can see, we have the voltage on the battery. Let's try to check some certain important sections also in the motherboard, like the backlight, because maybe it can still be that the backlight is having a problem, or the graphics. Let's check and see. Let's check the graphics section and see if we have any output and input voltage. So for the graphics section, this is the input. The input voltage from this coil is okay. Let's see if we have the output. There's no output. The output needs to come from here, but there's no output. You can see there's no output. There's no output voltage. Let's test the backlight. This is the backlight. There's an output on the backlight. Output, but here, this is the graphic section. There's an input voltage. But when we check the opposite side, on this side, we don't have the voltage on this side. Let's try to reball the IC and see if it's going to work. Okay, sorry, that is, we are heating up the IC, not reballing. We are heating it up and not reballing. I've heat up the IC. Now let's see if we are going to have the output voltage. See, we don't have the output voltage. There is no output voltage. So it shows that we need to change this IC. We need to change this IC. There's no output voltage. You can see we have the backlight. We have the backlight, but still we don't have the graphics. We don't have the graphics. So for now, I don't have this IC, but I'm going to find it, and then we are going to replace it. So in the part 2 of this video, we are going to replace this IC and see how the backlight, how the graphics comes into the phone. Please subscribe to my channel and hit the like button, so that other people can see the video, this video. So in our next video, we are going to look for this graphics IC, and then we are going to replace it, and then I'm sure the phone is going to work very well, because we don't have the output. Whoa, you see something? The output is coming. This is a miracle. This is the output. Now we got the output. You see? Oh, it's coming and going. It's coming and going. You see? If it doesn't work, then what we are going to do is we are going to change that IC. In the next video, we are going to change it. It means that the graphics is the problem of this phone. Nothing yet. So we are going to change that IC. So in our next video, we are going to change that IC. Thank you very much.